So what is the frequency of a photon whose energy is 66.3 electron volt? Okay, so that means here energy is equal to how much? Energy equal to 66.3 electron volt, but we know that 1 electron volt, okay, so therefore 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Okay, so that means energy E 66.3 electron volt is nothing but 66.3 into 1 electron volt is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Okay, so what frequency? We have to calculate the frequency of photon. Okay, so frequency F equal to energy by Planck constant. So frequency F equal to energy by Planck constant. So that means here energy is 66.3 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by Planck constant 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34. Okay, so that means the frequency is equal to is nothing but 1.6 into 10 to the power 16 unit is hertz. Okay, that frequency this much. So what frequency of proton? The frequency of the proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power 16 hertz. Okay.